Man, there's a freaking castle in the middle of the lake.
Good morning, I'm Marc and welcome to my channel. Today I'm in Slovenia in this beautiful campsite. I'm heading towards Italy. Let's see how far we get today. See you on the road. That was my view. Bike's packed, almost. Let's do this.
Excuse me, the garbage can? Right there? Okay, cool. No, thank you so much. Dankeschön. Alright, let's go to the Italian border. €1 a liter? Hell yeah. We don't do highways. There's riders coming down, or trucks, and they're really cutting the corners. We have to stay aware of that. Getting a bit dizzy here from all this cornering. But yeah, still fun. Okay, fresh tarmac, but they want me to stay on the old one. I'll get it. Some loud bike. It is super loud. Crazy. This bridge is always so impressive, really. So I'm in Pled now. Man, looks like I'm going to stop for a little break here. Cool. Man, there's a freaking castle in the middle of the lake. That was fun. Droned around a bit. Awesome. Beautiful town. And a beautiful castle. So now Alps. Here we come. checks or anything. So easy peasy. Hello Italia. Let's do this. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, so fresh. It's so hot today. Look at this old bridge. I think they're still using this. Or, I don't know, probably not. Yes, they do.